Hello, Jason Lord here. YOJLO. All right, so my son Harry said the check engine light was coming on the Odyssey, so I was gonna go drive it down to like Checker Auto and have him figure out what the code is and what's going on with the engine. But I came out and looked at it, and it looked like we have a rat problem. They're taking juniper berries from this tree, and they're gonna make a juniper berry pie, it looks like. Unbelievable. And there's also some like hosing and stuff. You can see that they're chewing. Oh, I gotta get these guys. They're in here somewhere, so crazy, crazy, crazy. Thanks for watching. YOJLO.